If my target is the edge, I can extend this deployment to the edge with just 2 additional lines of code here. The first is the publish command. This will essentially package up the Wallaroo runtime, my pipeline, and any other dependencies that I need to optimize for the hardware into a single self-contained package. The output of the publish can be used in as many edge locations as needed, but if I want to make management of those locations a little bit easier, I can also register individual edge devices and give them names through the add edge function that I have here. The output of this is the Docker container containing the Wallaroo runtime and dependencies, the specific location of this pipeline, as well as a Helm chart that covers both of these things. Additionally, if I specified a specific edge location with add edge, then I will also have the edge bundle that is unique for that location. Now, as a data scientist, these are the artifacts that I would go ahead and give to the ML engineer responsible for setting up the individual edge devices so that they can test on the hardware and ultimately roll it out. So let's switch gears over to that edge device and see what that looks like. So here I have 2 terminals open on my sample edge device. The one on the left represents the process that is going to ultimately run my packaged edge deployment. And that has the Docker run command that essentially has all of the components pasted in from our publish. Now that I've executed my Docker run command, my edge deployed pipeline is up and ready to receive inference requests. The terminal on the right represents my application layer that will make use of this edge deployed pipeline. For our retail application, this could be the outer process that takes the object counts from the shelves and uses it to calculate some sort of running inventory, for example. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and send a single image to my pipeline to test it out and print the results back to the terminal here. Now that I've validated that my edge deployed process works as expected,